We live in an age transformed by information. The internet connected us globally, smartphones put the world in our pockets, but what's next? That's where blockchain enters the picture. Imagine a world where trust isn't built on institutions but on ingenious technology, where records are not just digital but unchangeable, tamper-proof. To understand blockchain, we need to journey beyond the hype and grasp the core concepts. At its heart, a blockchain is a digital ledger, like a record book, but with superpowers. Imagine it as a shared database spread across countless computers. Each block is linked cryptographically to the one before it, forming an unbreakable chain. This chain is constantly growing as new blocks are added, each verified by the entire network. Trying to alter a single block is like trying to change a single grain of sand on a beach and expecting no one to notice. Many first heard of blockchain through Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency. And while blockchain underpins Bitcoin, its potential extends far beyond digital currencies. We're talking about revolutionizing industries, from finance and healthcare to supply chain management and voting systems. Imagine secure medical records that follow you wherever you go, transparent supply chains, and fraud-proof elections. The applications of blockchain are limited only by our imagination. To truly grasp the power of blockchain, we need to understand the two pillars holding it up: hashing and cryptography. Think of hashing like a digital fingerprint. Any piece of data can be run through a special algorithm to generate a unique code, a hash. Change even a single character in the original data, and the hash completely changes. This ensures the integrity of information stored on the blockchain. Now let's add cryptography to the mix. Each block's hash is encrypted, linked to the hash of the block before it. This cryptographic linking is what makes the blockchain so secure. Unlike traditional databases which are stored on central servers, blockchain is decentralized. The ledger is distributed across a vast network of computers, all holding a copy of the blockchain. This eliminates the vulnerability of a single point of failure. If one computer goes down, the network remains unaffected. The data lives on, replicated across countless other nodes in the system. No single entity controls the blockchain. It's a truly democratic system, governed by consensus among its participants. This peer-to-peer network fosters trust and transparency. This has the potential to level the playing field and empower individuals like never before. We've talked about blocks, chains, and decentralization. But how are new blocks added to the blockchain securely? This is where mining comes in. Miners are specialized computers on the network, competing to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block to the chain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin. This process is energy-intensive but crucial for maintaining the security and integrity of the blockchain. Once a miner finds the solution, they broadcast it to the entire network. Other nodes then quickly check the solution. If it's correct, the new block is added to the blockchain, permanently linking it to all previous blocks. This consensus mechanism ensures that only valid blocks are added to the chain, further enhancing its security. While Bitcoin brought blockchain into the spotlight, it's crucial to remember that blockchain is a technology, not a product in itself. Think of it like electricity, a powerful force that can be harnessed for countless purposes. From finance and healthcare to supply chain management and voting systems, the potential applications of blockchain are seemingly limitless. Imagine a world where financial transactions are instantaneous and borderless, and medical records are secure and readily accessible. Blockchain offers a way to streamline processes, reduce costs, and eliminate intermediaries. Section 2. Reshaping finance, faster transactions, greater transparency. The financial sector, often burdened by bureaucracy and slow transaction speeds, stands to benefit immensely from blockchain technology. Imagine sending money across borders as easily and instantly as sending a text message, without the hefty fees and delays of traditional banking systems. Blockchain makes this possible by eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks or clearinghouses. Transactions are recorded directly on the blockchain, verified by the network, and completed almost instantaneously. Beyond payments, blockchain can revolutionize various aspects of finance, from lending and borrowing to asset management and trading. Smart contracts, self-executing agreements written into the blockchain, can automate complex financial processes, reducing the need for intermediaries and minimizing the risk of fraud. Blockchain brings efficiency, security, and accessibility to the forefront of the financial world. Section 3. Revolutionizing supply chains, tracking products, building trust. In today's globalized world, supply chains can be incredibly complex, involving countless intermediaries and spanning continents. This lack of transparency makes it difficult to track products, ensure ethical sourcing, and combat counterfeiting. Blockchain offers a solution by providing a secure and immutable record of every step in a product's journey. Imagine scanning a QR code on a coffee bag and instantly accessing information about the coffee bean's origin, the date of harvest, the fair trade practices employed, and even the transportation route. This level of transparency empowers consumers to make informed purchasing decisions and holds companies accountable for ethical sourcing and sustainable practices. Beyond consumer goods, blockchain can revolutionize supply chains across various industries. By providing a secure and transparent system, blockchain builds trust between businesses and consumers, revolutionizing how we produce, distribute, and consume goods. Section 4. Empowering individuals' digital identity and data ownership. In our increasingly digital world, protecting our personal information and controlling our online identities have become paramount concerns. Blockchain offers a new paradigm for digital identity management, putting individuals in control of their data. Imagine a future where you have a secure and verifiable digital identity stored on the blockchain, eliminating the need for multiple usernames, passwords, and physical documents. This digital identity would allow you to seamlessly access online services, verify your identity for transactions, and manage your personal information with greater security and privacy. Blockchain can also revolutionize how we manage and share sensitive data, such as medical records. Imagine having your complete medical history securely stored on the blockchain, accessible only to authorized healthcare providers with your consent. By placing individuals in control of their data and online identities, blockchain has the potential to create a more equitable, secure, and empowering digital world for all. At its core, blockchain is about more than just technology. It's about transforming how we interact and build trust in a digital world. Traditionally, trust has been built on intermediaries, banks, governments, legal systems. Blockchain offers a new paradigm, trust through technology. Imagine a world where business agreements are encoded in smart contracts, self-executing and tamper-proof, eliminating the need for costly intermediaries and lengthy legal battles. This newfound efficiency can streamline collaborations, foster innovation, and level the playing field for businesses of all sizes. Imagine international trade agreements executed and enforced on a shared blockchain platform, reducing bureaucracy, minimizing disputes, and fostering greater cooperation between nations. The implications extend beyond the business realm. Imagine nonprofit organizations using blockchain to track donations, demonstrating transparency and accountability to their donors. One of the most profound impacts of blockchain technology is its potential to disintermediate, to remove the need for intermediaries in various sectors. From finance and supply chains to healthcare and government services, blockchain offers a more direct, efficient, and transparent way to facilitate transactions and interactions. Imagine a world where you no longer need a bank to transfer money, a lawyer to draft a contract, or a government agency to verify your identity. Blockchain empowers individuals and businesses to connect and transact directly, cutting out the middleman and the associated costs and inefficiencies. Traditional intermediaries often provide valuable services beyond simply facilitating transactions. They offer consumer protection, dispute resolution, and regulatory oversight. As blockchain technology matures, it's crucial to develop robust mechanisms within the technology itself to address these needs and ensure a smooth transition to a more decentralized world. Blockchain has the potential to democratize access, empower individuals, and reshape entire industries. As with any transformative technology, blockchain's journey is not without its challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is scalability, the ability of blockchain networks to handle a rapidly growing number of transactions without compromising speed or efficiency. As adoption increases, researchers and developers are actively working on solutions to enhance blockchain's capacity and ensure it can support the demands of a global user base. Another challenge lies in the realm of regulation. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate this nascent yet rapidly evolving technology. Striking the right balance between fostering innovation and protecting consumers is crucial to ensure blockchain's responsible and sustainable development. The blockchain revolution is not merely about technology, it's about empowering individuals, fostering trust, and building a more equitable and efficient global society. While challenges remain, the potential benefits of this transformative technology are undeniable. The future of blockchain is filled with possibilities. It's a future where trust is decentralized, where information flows freely and securely, and where individuals have greater control over their data and their destinies. This is the promise of blockchain, a promise of a more transparent, efficient, and equitable world. Dive into the world of blockchain, explore its potential, and join the movement shaping the future. As we've journeyed through the intricacies of blockchain, one thing is clear. This technology is poised to reshape our digital world. Imagine a future where trust is inherent, data flows securely, and collaboration is unprecedented. This future is closer than we think. Blockchain is already woven into our lives, from managing finances to verifying identities. The choices we make today will determine its impact on our world. The blockchain revolution is not a spectator sport. It's a call to action, an invitation to shape the future we want to see. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, a policymaker, or simply a curious individual, there's a role for you to play in this unfolding narrative. Start by educating yourself. The more we understand about blockchain technology, its potential benefits, and its inherent challenges, the better equipped we'll be to make informed decisions about its development and deployment. Explore the vast resources available online, attend workshops and conferences, and engage in meaningful conversations with experts and enthusiasts alike. Beyond education, consider how you can contribute to the blockchain ecosystem. Perhaps you're an entrepreneur with a groundbreaking idea for a blockchain-based application. Perhaps you're a developer with the skills to build secure and scalable blockchain solutions. Or perhaps you're an advocate who can help raise awareness about the transformative potential of this technology. No matter your background or skill set, there are countless ways to get involved and make a tangible difference. The blockchain revolution needs your creativity, your passion, and your commitment to building a better future. For those eager to delve deeper into the world of blockchain, a wealth of resources awaits. Numerous online platforms offer comprehensive courses and tutorials, ranging from introductory overviews to advanced technical deep dives. Reputable websites and blogs provide up-to-date news, analysis, and thought leadership on all things blockchain. For a more hands-on approach, consider experimenting with blockchain platforms and tools. Develop a basic understanding of cryptocurrency wallets, explore decentralized applications, and perhaps even try your hand at building your own smart contracts. The more you engage with this technology, the more you'll grasp its nuances and unlock its transformative potential. Don't underestimate the power of community. Connect with other blockchain enthusiasts, both online and offline. Join forums, attend meetups, and engage in discussions. The blockchain community is vibrant, diverse, and welcoming to newcomers. By sharing knowledge, insights, and experiences, we can collectively accelerate the adoption and responsible development of this groundbreaking technology. Remember, the journey of blockchain exploration is ongoing. As the technology evolves, so too will the resources and opportunities available. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning, stay curious, and never stop exploring the ever-expanding frontiers of blockchain. The future of blockchain is something we must actively shape together. This technology can empower individuals and transform industries. Let's engage in open dialogue about its ethical implications. Work together to develop robust regulatory frameworks. Embrace collaboration and foster innovation. Join the blockchain revolution and shape the future.